Good everyone. I'm Alvin Delinizo. I'm going to report a computer-controlled servo system and its functions. Computer-controlled servo system. Kabalo naman siguro tatanay tanan. Mga kagi na tani pag second year na to. Which is the microcontroller. Computer-controlled servo system is typically consists of servo motor, a feedback mechanism such as encoder or potentiometer, and a controller unit. Usually, ang computer muna siya send command to the controller, which then adjust the servo motor based on a feedback to achieve the desired position or velocity. These are commonly used in robotics, automations, and other gamit siya precision control applications. Let's proceed. There are three basic forms of servo system. The actuators, control device, feedback element. And the actuators is monitoring the muscles. The actuators mostly likely represented by a servo motor and can be a variety of mechanisms. Gani siya basta usually servo motors kanang magpalihok bitaw niya. Then control device, which is the brain. The brain is a motion controller or a servo drive. Og sa kuan pa ni siya sa UR o SCAR na to mo ni siya ang touch pendant dito ta mag-program. And then feedback element mo ni siya ang the senses, which is the sensors mo ni siya ang commonly kuan ang sensors. Then let's proceed to the purpose of the controller. The servo controller is the link between the servo motor and the high-level control. Feels your programmable logic control. Muna to ato ang microcontroller sa na gamit ang Arduino, and it adapts the original signal and forwards it to the motor. The controller therefore enables extremely precise and control of precision, speed, and torque. Ang main purpose sa gidaning controller na to is for the precision para extremely precise ang control niya sa speed and the torque, and that's all. Thank you.